can.
Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas. Today I'm going to take you on a all day kind of clean with me video. My house is a hot mess, just getting everything ready for Christmas, getting new clothes, a laundry pile up. I got a new bedspread that I'll be putting on the bed. So just kind of taking you through the day. I plan on also making some chili. I've shared that recipe with you guys earlier. I will link it up above for you guys to kind of watch that and cook along with me, but I do plan on making chili tonight. But yes, lots of laundry, new bed, which is really exciting. I'm going to go ahead and change the sheets and do that now. But a busy cleaning day. I hope this motivates you guys to tackle anything that is on your to-do list today, especially around the holiday times. I feel like sometimes the house just kind of gets overwhelming, at least for me, because you're worried about presents, baking, cooking, decorating, that kind of stuff, that everything else kind of falls on the wayside. And that's kind of what has happened to my house right now. So we're gonna get cleaning. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into this. I'm first stripping the bed, getting the comforter and everything taken off, clean sheets and everything. So exciting to have new bedspreads.
Outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs.
Now, when you make your bed, do you like to tuck in your sheets or leave them out? My husband likes them left out a little bit, but I'm definitely a tucked in kind of bed sheet girl. Let me know what you are in the comments down below.
Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you.
So for pillowcases, I love a silk pillowcase. Mine is my favorite. I do need to wash it though. And Isaac is starting to want it too. So I just ordered from Amazon 2 new ones. I'll link them down below. So they will come soon. But right now I'm just kind of put on these right now for our regular pillows. And then the comforter set also came with shams that are really furry. But this is so soft. Like, oh, warm, cuddly, soft. So exciting. So this new one is actually from UGG, the Koala Burr, I believe, brand. And I'm so happy that we got this. Isaac actually found it at Kohl's and he wanted to show it to me. So if you haven't seen my first Vlogmas video, I'll link it up in the cards. But when I saw this, there's a couple other styles, but this is the Tuva and it is so soft. You definitely can feel the quality when you sleep under it. Really warm and cozy. I am obsessed. So I'll link it down below for you guys who are interested. I think it's one of the perfect kind of comforters for the winter time, and you can just switch it up with your different sheets or whatnot.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
It's so comfy. Is it so warm and comfy? Is it so warm? I know. Itchy.
So pretty. That's so pretty though. You got it at the store.
Huh?
You want it?
Mm-hmm.
So bring high on it.
Whoa.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree.
Somebody found the cozy spot of the house. Yeah. Is it comfy cozy? Is it comfy cozy? time to tackle some laundry. Oh my gosh.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
I cannot tell you why I have so much backed up laundry. I am constantly doing about 2 loads of laundry, but I guess we bought some new clothes, random things like that, but it definitely stacked up. So this is like 4 loads of clean clothes I am going to try and tackle. I'm not going to show all of the footage. I definitely turned it off, but man, if you have laundry, come do some laundry with me because I got a ton, and I still have like 3 loads I'm looking at right now while editing.
To have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow.
One of the things I love about our house is how big our master closet is, so I definitely hang up a lot more stuff than I did in our previous house. Sweaters, jeans, even leggings. So that's why this stack is ginormous, because I'm trying to fold everything. I kind of have a section of things I need to steam and things I can just put away. So I'm just hanging things up so it will be easier to put away and I don't have to fold every piece of clothing.
Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Okay, go find it.
You're playing.
I'm watching.
Where are you?
Where was it yesterday?
Where was it yesterday?
I found it like
You did find it yesterday. Where did you find it yesterday?
I found it yesterday.
Where was it yesterday?
He's hiding.
Yes, okay. Well, go ahead and find them for today.
Yeah, go find him for today.
Okay, then why? Here.
Okay,
well, look
might be in there somewhere.
Okay.
You found it.
My golden bear.
That's cool. Where was he hiding?
In there.
In there.
No, I can eat it. I'm ready.
I am so lucky and grateful to have my mom come about once a week and hang out with Jackson, and that's what she was doing today, is to get me kind of back into my cleaning. I normally do like my big clean days when she's there to help entertain the little one. So while she is actually putting Jackson down for a nap, I am cleaning everything up on the downstairs floor. So our robot vacuum, we call him Wally, can clean up and do all that kind of heavy work while I clean the kitchen. And on this day I also decided to clean the stove, like deep clean and self clean it. So I'm gonna prep all that with you guys here.
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars.
And you guys know I love my Lodge pan scrapers. These are great to use on granite, stainless steel, what have you, to get those gunk food marks that just kind of won't get off with the scratching, and a cleaner just kind of helps scratch, get that off of the surface and makes it so much easier. I have not noticed any scratching on the granite or stainless steel. I even put them in a stocking stuffer gift guide for this year. If you haven't seen my stocking stuffer gift guide, I will link it up above in the cards. One of my favorite things, super cheap, and I think literally everyone should have one of these. It is so amazing.
I don't need any presents as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend.
For my microwave, I like to take an all-purpose cleaner to kind of clean the black parts, but then I like the stainless steel cleaner to just make it shiny around the edges. So that's pretty much what I do with my stovetop as well. It's the stainless steel for the stainless steel and then an all-purpose in the middle. But I try and do the all-purpose first, if that makes sense. But using that same stainless steel to try and get all the gunk off of the stovetop, I do need to still get some kind of powder cleaner to just let it soak and sit on these. These did not get as clean as I wanted them to, but they did the big bulk of the job.
It's 1 a.m. and I ain't tired. I can stand right here and talk all night if you want. I ain't got no place to be, no one's waiting for me. I won't lie, I'm into you. Got like a million ideas what we could do. 'Cause I'm not gonna let you slip away, I won't waste this. There's something about the way you fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you.
So ever since I made that lasagna, the brie lasagna in my last What's for Dinner video, I'll link it up above, but that lasagna did kind of splatter in my stove, and I haven't been able to use my top stove since then because it will totally make this huge smoke. So I'm trying to take cleaner to it and clean it as best I can. But you'll see, I just kind of end up needing to just self-clean it, take all the racks out, and just let it do its thing. So that is what I decided to do here. Definitely a spur of the moment kind of thing. I was not planning on not being able to use my oven, having my back door open in the 40-degree weather, but my stove needed it. I needed to be able to cook again. Holidays are coming, so I just took everything off and started the self-clean. Just a tip, when you do want to self-clean your stovetop, be sure to follow the directions. I also had to open my door wide. It was 40 degrees outside that day, super cold, but had to get done. And then you'll see me here with our robot vacuum. Sometimes I have to cut my hair out of the wheels. I know that's kind of gross, but this is something you do need to keep in mind when you do have a robot vacuum. They do take some maintenance. Sometimes the wheels get stuck with hair. Basically, I shed like a dog basically, but I did that. I did wash my hands before that shot right there, and yeah, I'm just cleaning the racks now of the stove while it is doing its job. But you'll see the door is wide open for the back because it was so steamy with all of, or smoky I guess, with all of the smoke from the oven. Kind of gave me like nervous vibes about it, but I am still really happy I did it.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Now I know it's super popular to have a super cute like 3-tiered tray that you decorate for every season. We use ours for realistic things like fruits, vegetables, candle lighter, that kind of stuff. So let me know what you guys are. Do you decorate them with like knick-knack things, or do you use them for practical things like us?
The oven is cleaning right now. Wally is going. Jackson looks like he's not going down for a nap. He just heard me, so he just laid down. And is like pretending he's sleeping. But I am probably gonna get him out and play in the playroom a little bit. These are so comfy. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Started a load of laundry. These didn't get dry cleaned, so I do need to put them in the wash probably next. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. I think that's gonna be Todd's spot from now on. What do you think? You comfy cozy, Todd. What are we doing, Jackson?
Okay, a play movie.
Uh-huh.
And I got some food for you.
Yeah.
So
So we're gonna put on Polar Express, cuddle up in our nice fluffy warm blankie. And then in our little snack, we have popcorn, goldfish, and Cheerios, Chex Mix, and M&M's. So yummy, yummy.
Cheese.
Mm-hmm.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow we'll